cooler. So, all right, here we go. Let's see what the Tesmanian looks like. Hey, it's still holding ice. Can you see it? So we're at 4 hours. I mean, there's not a lot of water, a little bit. It's still holding it very, very good. I'm actually surprised. All right. So I'm going to close this back up, and we're going to take a look at it in another 4 hours, and let's see what it looks like then. And now, let's take a look. Let's see here. Take a look at the Tesmanian. Definitely more water, as you can see. Definitely more water. But it's still holding ice. I mean, we're at 8 hours. So, let's see. Yeah. 8 hours. Still holding water. So I'm going to close these back up.